guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a catch game in Scratch. Let's get started. Well, we have the cat, let's delete it. As always, say the project, and let's make Go Run. Cause here in the Scratch library, let's search Gobo. Here's Gobo. And now, another character that's going to chase Gobo. Let's laptop now. A ladybug. Okay, the puffer fish. Okay, now we have these two characters, and now in the puffer fish sprite, puffer fish for me. When green flag clicked, maybe 197 and negative 121. Let's see. Yeah, select. We save the project forever. Point towards Gobo and move. Go to the sensing. Move timer steps. When green flag clicked, make a new variable. Delete my variable. Oh, really? No, cancel. Let's delete it. And now velocity for all the for this is real. So guys, set velocity to 5 forever. Wait 2 seconds. And change velocity by 1. Save the project. Now let's go to Gobo. When green flag clicked, reset timer. Show. Let's make 2 backdrops. One for the battle. No, here no. In the Scratch library. Maybe. Oh, the hole. That's going to be cool. In the hole. Delete the backdrop one, and I'll make a backdrop called You Lost. And let's go to the text and put with the impact you lost and with white. And impact I say. I love it. You lost. No, I hear it. You lost. Just like that. And you win. No. Win. So, no. What happened, guys? Wise hands. Sorry. Impact. You win. And in the center, say the project, and go again to Gobo. Switch backdrop to the hall. Forever. Point towards mouse pointer. And go to mouse pointer. And if touching the pufferfish, hide, switch, backdrop to lost, and stop all. That's all. If to the lesser than, and if timer is lesser than 40, switch backdrop to UN, and also stop all. Now we have it. Save the project and let's see. So let's get started. Let's see. Oh, the pufferfish. So we have to escape with the mouse pointer. Oh guys, this is very complicated. Oh, I lost. Let's see it in full screen. Oh, it's very laggy, I gotta say. Run, go, run, run, run. Oh my god, go. I lost. Okay, that's that game. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So bye bye.